Hey, what's up everybody? Coach Roz here, Metaburn Fitness and author of the Menopause Success Triangle. And I'm hanging outside of K-Fix Studios here in Stuart, Florida. And the reason being is I want to give you a special invitation. And this is an invitation to come down to a seminar that I'm hosting called the Sugar Detox Seminar. This is for people who are struggling with sugar, who want to overcome their cravings, who want to figure out how to lose weight and stop craving the things like chocolate and ice cream and all the processed foods that we know are holding us back and putting the weight on in places we don't want it. Well, for 60 minutes, I'm going to share with you some of the top secrets that I've used with my high-end clients over the last 18 years to transform their bodies, have energy, and most importantly, create the body of their dreams. I really want you to come down. Space is limited, so all you got to do is claim your spot. Is click the link underneath this video, fill out the short form, and what we'll do is we'll see you here on October 17th at 7:30 p.m. The address is 108 Southwest Monterey Road here in Stuart, and I look forward to seeing you guys. Make it a fantastic day, and I'll see you at the seminar. Boom!